Hello. Today we're going to do some wiggle art. So you're going to start with a black marker and you're just going to wiggle. Your wiggle can be however you want it to be. When your wiggle is finished, you're going to work on coloring your wiggle. You're going to start at one point and we are going to color so that we stay relatively close to the line, and we're going to color and then stop, switch colors. So you might have about 7 or 8 colors ready at the beginning of this lesson so you don't have to keep grabbing. Okay, so we're going to color each side of the line, and you are just going to keep coloring your wiggle until you are all the way to the end. I hope you enjoy your wiggles.